Looking for a fun family restaurant the next time you're in Vegas with kids? Check out the Rainforest Cafe. A completely immersive dining experience complete with starry skies, thunderstorms, wild animals, and exciting food and drinks for both babies and mama. There's even a gift shop so you can take a little bit of that rainforest magic home.
This is a big hot dog.
For all things family travel, head to our blog at hotmamatravel.com or our YouTube channel for more Las Vegas family fun. And remember, keep family travel hot.